What the hell am I going to do with this thing? After I cut and sand it, definitely 3D printed parts. But I'll probably have to design something new for it. Some heavy scribing. I think maybe half of this thing is going to need some fucking putty filler. Like, look at this shit.
Look at this.
Boo. That's easy enough though. Can do a bit on that too. Anyone else use their nippers to actually sand because they're lazy? Just me. Definitely just me. Secret hack. Actually, can you see that? Whoop. Focus please. There we go. So because this is like a double rounded surface, I use a knife typically to take the peak of the concave or convex surface off. So if it's concave, I usually take the edges off. If it's convex, I usually take the peak off. And what that enables me to do is then sand it flat easier. The trick is to always go across on a 45 and let the line of the blade itself, so it's just taking a thin amount off the top, catches that curve deeper so it removes more content. See? So don't scrape it with light movements. And the light movements itself will allow the knife to bite deeper where it's bent or where it's got a raised area. And it ends up nice and flat. You want to try and shave quite a bit of it off with sanding first. This is really a sharpening stage, but it does help. It saves a lot of time. It's even better if you've got a Citadel scraper, but I don't know where mine is. The Games Workshop scraper thing is, the mold line remover is absolutely. You can see if I hold it across, it's got that teeter to it. There's a little gap. That's how you can tell that there's a subtle rounding of the plate. So then we just do the 45 trick again. It's possible that I'm the only one that's this obsessed with doing this on an SD. But I hate it when things are super rounded. Like corners and edges, and they have this weird like roundedness to them. It just ruins the mechanical vibe. Especially on a suit like this where the back of its hood is so eye-catching. Especially when you look at the binders from the back. There he is. In all his little glory. So badass. But that head's gonna need some work. We definitely have to do some scribing on these. Change some of the proportions, do something with these legs somehow. I gotta do some research, find out what we can and can't do. Positionally. You know what? We might even make some funnels. How cool would that be? Tiny ass funnels? Yes. Well, let's do that. Yes.